All right, we've drawn the box. Our second step is to put the terms in. So we have a squared, negative 35 is our c term, and then we want to multiply these. So a squared times negative 35 is negative 35 a squared, and then we want it to add up to negative 2a. All right, so we need to figure out the factors of 35. So the factors of 35 are 1, 5, 7, and 35. So we have 1, 5, 7, and 35. And we want to choose the two that will multiply to negative 35 and then subtract to negative 2, right? So negative 2. So which of these numbers are 2 apart? Hopefully you said 5 and 7. So we know it's 5a, 7a, 5a, 7a. But which one should be negative? Well, 5 minus 7 gives us negative 2, or 7 minus 5 gives us negative 2. Hopefully you said 5 minus 7, so that makes the 7 negative. So we're going to put 5a and negative 7a into the box. Remember, it doesn't matter if you switched them. That's totally fine. So let's factor now out of the first column, a squared and negative 7a. You can pull out an a. 5a and negative 35. Well, 5 goes into 5 and 5 goes into 35. So we can factor out a 5. From the first row, we can factor out an a. And from the second row, they're both negative, so we're factoring out a negative. And negative 7, right, or 7, goes into itself, and it goes into 35, right? We determined that up here. So we'll factor out a negative 7. So now we have a plus 5, a minus 7. So one of our x-intercepts is negative 5, 0, and the other x-intercept is positive 7, 0, because it's always the opposite.